and then we've got to figure out what on earth we're going to plant into it. That's a job for another day. Welcome back. Some of you may have seen my playlist of taking day-old baby chicks through to being ready to go to pasture. Well, the story picks up with these guys now. Hi, well, today is 2 weeks on from, more or less, from when the chickens went into their new, or the chicken tractor. And the nature of the chicken tractor is that it has to move. Unlike most chicken tractors, this is pretty big, so how on earth are we going to move this thing? Anyway, we're going to need to get their stuff out first. It's pretty well understood now that nature is a web of interconnected systems all depending upon one another. So when we begin to introduce systems that work together as human beings, we edge closer to nature. Don't worry guys, because we're moving on to green grass. Oh, we're running that mad. So this chicken tractor serves both as a home for these chickens and as they move, their manure enriches the land, which prepares the way for me to come back and start growing those veg. So that's the chickens inside, so we now need to move the whole thing somehow. And the answer we've come up with is a pair of panel dollies, which are usually used to, in warehouses, to move around heavy panels of wood. So let's see.
Slightly longer one, about here, pivoting on one of the shorter ones, so it stands on it, the other person and helps lift, and the other person slides behind it down.
Alright, it's time now for a change of pace. Let's watch this husband and wife team figure out how to get those panel dollies underneath. Because it's too weak on that side of the connection to lift up. So let's this is our lever. And then those can be the Awesome, so that's job done. They're in. They are happy having the grass. So let's just have a look at the job they've done. Well, it's not hard to see that they've been busy. All of this manure load and tilling and weeding they've done. In a few weeks this will be lush and green, all being well. This is the idea, that they'll do the whole lot. So go through weeding and tilling, enriching the land, and then we've got to figure out what on earth we're going to plant into it. That's the job for another day. So thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.